right. The product I'll be looking at today is beverages, another item of export. And I will show you the video of a recently done shipment and talking to you more about different products of export. Remember, when you are thinking of export, you should think beyond commodities. It's so important to understand the fact that there are so many different products that can be exported. As you can see on the screen, you can see beverages. You can see lacasera, you can see malt, you can see different straws, different kind of product, drinks. Now, because, of course, there are Nigerians abroad, and the Nigerians abroad are going to be eating the same thing they love to eat, the same thing they eat in Nigeria. You can see the way the product is loaded to the container. These are purchased by African stores abroad. Now, let me give you a sense, an idea of the huge demand for beverages, spirit, and vinegar. Those three are grouped together: beverages, spirit, and vinegar. Do you have an idea of the demand for this product in the world? $147 billion. $147 billion. $147 billion. $147 billion. You know, sometimes when you see some of these things, you just begin to ask yourself, why is it that sometimes people just focus on a particular kind of product as if that's the only product that can be exported? And I think this is just basically knowledge gap issue. $147 billion is the demand for drinks around the world. Again, who is the largest buyer of this product? United States. About 20% of import of beverages, spirit, and vinegars around the world is by the United States. 20% of the 147 billion. Followed by the United Kingdom, which is where we are shipping this to, 6.35%. Followed by Germany, 6.33%. Followed by the Netherlands, 4.88%. Followed by Canada, 4.33%. Followed by France, 4.18%. Can you imagine the demand for drinks around the world? And I'm showing you this video and speaking at the same time around this just to give you a sense of the fact that there is demand. I mean, there is huge demand for different products around the world, and that you don't need to focus your attention only on one product, otherwise called commodities, because there are so many other products with demand in the world that you can consider whenever you are thinking of export. Think less of commodity. Think of value-added manufactured finished goods. And one of them is drinks. Different kind of malt. Malta Guinness, Maltina. Drinks. Different kind of drinks. Schweppes. Drinks. Different kind of drinks. Malta Guinness, bitter lemon, lacasera, different kind of lacasera. I will stop here. This to just give you a sense of the fact that drink export, particularly if you look at all the products I've looked at in this series of items being loaded for export, you notice that the demand for drinks is off the roof. Globally, I think it's a product you should consider. And I've shown you in this series of video, different products that I have exported because I'm a practical exporter. When I come to talk to you here about export, I basically come to show you what I export. And the reason I'm doing that is to let you understand export is practical and it is what we do. And the fact that we can assist you through our export mentoring program to be able to export your product out of Nigeria to different parts of the world. With our mentoring program, we do capacity building, and we work with our client to be able to find buyers, to be able to do their documentation, to be able to ensure the quality is right, and do the shipment into the export market. So if you are thinking of exporting your product abroad, consider our export mentoring and capacity building program called From Export Novice to Export Legend. The detail of how you can reach us will be shown on your screen, and that will help you to be able to contact us and get to learn more about the Export Novice to Export Legend program. Thank you very much. See you in the next video, and bye for now.